Your sleep isn't one thing, it's two. All night, your brain cycles between deep sleep and REM sleep, over and over, 4 to 6 times. Each cycle roughly 90 minutes long. And here's the thing. They do completely different jobs. Most people think sleep is just unconsciousness. You're tired, you lie down, you're out. Then you wake up. The assumption is that all sleep hours are equal. They're not. Sleep has architecture, structure, stages that repeat in a pattern. And the two most important stages, deep sleep and REM sleep, couldn't be more different. Deep sleep happens mostly in the first half of the night. It's also called slow-wave sleep. Your brain produces delta waves. These are the slowest brain waves you'll generate while alive, 0.5 to 4 hertz. In deep sleep, your body does its repair work. Muscles rebuild, bones strengthen. Research suggests your brain clears metabolic waste during sleep, though the exact mechanisms are still being studied. Your immune system strengthens during this stage. Growth hormone release is tightly linked to deep sleep. This is physical restoration. Your body fixing what broke down during the day. Then there's REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. During this stage, your eyes move quickly beneath closed lids. Your brain activity looks almost identical to when you're awake, but your body is paralyzed, completely still. This paralysis is called atonia. It keeps you from acting out dreams. REM sleep is when most vivid dreaming happens. But it's not just for dreams. Your brain is working. Memory consolidation occurs during REM. The hippocampus transfers information to the cortex for long-term storage. Emotional experiences get processed. It appears to enhance creativity. Your brain prunes unnecessary synaptic connections, strengthening the ones that matter. This is mental restoration. Your brain organizing what you learned, what you felt, what you need to keep. So you have deep sleep rebuilding your body, and REM sleep reorganizing your mind. Two totally different processes, and your brain needs both. Here's where the structure matters. In the first half of the night, sleep cycles contain more deep sleep. You get most of your slow wave sleep in the first 3 to 4 hours after falling asleep. REM periods are short, but as the night goes on, this flips. Deep sleep decreases. REM sleep increases. By the early morning hours, your sleep cycles are almost entirely REM. Those last 90 minutes before you wake, mostly REM. This is why cutting sleep short is so damaging. If you sleep 6 hours instead of 8, you're not just losing 2 hours of generic sleep. You're losing disproportionately more REM sleep. The stuff that happens in the final cycles, the memory consolidation, the emotional processing, doesn't happen. You can't make it up by sleeping deeper. Your body has already done the deep sleep work in the first half. The second half is for a different kind of repair. And this balance isn't optional. Mess with one stage and the other suffers. Alcohol, for example, initially increases deep sleep in the first half of the night. Sounds good. But it fragments REM sleep in the second half. You wake up feeling unrefreshed even after a full night in bed. Your body got some repair, but your brain didn't get to finish its work. Caffeine too late in the day reduces deep sleep quality. You might fall asleep fine, but your slow-wave sleep is shallower, less restorative. Chronic stress fragments sleep architecture. You spend more time in lighter stages. Both deep sleep and REM suffer. Your body doesn't repair as well, and your brain doesn't consolidate as well. The structure collapses. Sleep isn't a single state. It's a coordinated cycle. Deep sleep and REM sleep depend on each other. They follow a rhythm. Disrupt that rhythm, and neither stage works as it should. This is why sleep hygiene advice often misses the point. Get 8 hours isn't enough if those 8 hours are fragmented. If your deep sleep is chemically suppressed by alcohol, if your REM is cut short because you wake too early, the architecture matters as much as the duration. Your brain knows what it's doing. First half, rebuild the body. Second half, reorganize the mind. The cycle repeats, over and over, all night. That's not random, that's design. Sleep is architecture, respect the structure.